A college degree can set you on the path to lots of great careers and make a big difference in your future. But high tuition costs can lead many students to feel that college is out of their reach. It doesn't have to be that way. There is a lot of money out there to help you pay for college. You just need to know where to look. CaliforniaColleges.edu's financial aid feature is a one-stop shop to help you learn about, plan for, and apply for financial aid. To access it, sign in to your CaliforniaColleges.edu account. Then click the green My Financial Aid Plan button on the homepage. As a 12th grader, you'll see 6 modules. These cover everything from completing the prep work on your financial aid application to securing state aid. The modules are arranged by a suggested month to help keep you on schedule and make sure you meet deadlines. Modules for earlier years can be found by clicking on the gear icon and selecting Show Plan for all grades. Clicking on a module brings up lessons you can explore. The Complete Prep Work for your FAFSA or CADA module uses short, easy-to-understand slides to help you select whether the FAFSA or California Dream Act application, known as CADA, is right for you, prepare for your application, and review your application checklist. To open a lesson, click on it. Simple summaries at the beginning and ending of each lesson and on each slide make it easy to find the most important facts. Many slides contain links that let you find more information about related topics. One of the most important steps will be deciding which financial aid application is right for you. Students who are U.S. citizens, permanent residents, eligible non-citizens, or who have a T visa can fill out the FAFSA to access state and federal grants, work study, and student loans. Students who are undocumented, have valid or expired DACA status, have a U visa, or are on temporary protected status can use the CADA to access state scholarships, state grants, and student loans. Once you've made your selection, lessons will be personalized to match your chosen application type. The application type can be changed using the gear icon at the top of the page, but it can only be changed a limited number of times, so be careful to select the application that's right for you. Each lesson is short and designed so you can complete it in one sitting. But if you need to stop before completing a lesson, you can close it by clicking the X button at the top right of the slide. Your lesson will be marked in progress, but you will need to start from the beginning when you come back to it. When you finish a lesson, click Complete Slides. Once you complete all the slides in a lesson, future lessons will be unlocked. You can also explore other resources related to the lesson you completed. Some lessons include to-do lists for you to complete. These can be accessed at the lesson level or through the drop-down menu at the top of the page. Clicking Mark as Done checks off each item. Once all are done, the lesson is marked as complete. When you complete all the lessons in the module, it will be marked as completed. You can always go back to the lessons you've completed to review them. You can access a checklist for your FAFSA or CADA using the checklist icon at the top of the page. This list outlines all the documents and information you'll need to fill out your application. You can print the checklist using the printer icon. Once you're ready to apply, you can launch your application from within the lesson called Complete Your FAFSA or Complete Your CADA. Click the Launch FAFSA/CADA button, which will take you to your chosen application. For ease of access, you can also launch your application using the Launch FAFSA/CADA button at the top of the My Financial Aid Plan page. The Launch FAFSA/CADA button is only accessible during the financial aid application window from October 1st through June 30th. Launching your application through your CaliforniaColleges.edu account lets you track the submission status of your application and see whether or not your Cal Grant GPA has been submitted. The Review the Student Aid Report and Cal Grant GPA module helps you check and correct the information that colleges and financial aid programs have about you. If you're filling out a CADA, It will also help you submit your AB 540 affidavit. You'll want to review your college portals every week to check for admissions decisions and actions or paperwork the college needs you to complete. In March or April, colleges will give you financial aid offers based on the information in your FAFSA or CADA. To compare different offers, you'll need to take into account the different types of costs of attending a college and the different types of financial aid being offered. You can use the financial aid offer comparison tool to compare different colleges and offers. This will help you identify which option works best for you. After accepting your offer, the last step is to secure your state grants. You'll need to log into your Web Grants for Students account to check the status of your grants and see what next steps you still need to take. Money shouldn't stop you from achieving your college and career goals. There are many options out there that can help you pay for college. The financial aid feature on CaliforniaColleges.edu gives you the knowledge and tools you need to access financial aid and make your college dreams come true.